Yeah, here we have a 12-inch swing miniature drill press. It's 110 volt, half horsepower, 16-speed belt drive. Appears to be unused. It was in a shipping distress box. The box was in pretty bad shape. We assembled it so we can test it and inspect, make sure all the parts were with it. And everything is included with it. It's got a couple little paint scratches, not a big deal. A little bit of styrofoam bits on it, not a big deal. We tested this. So the quill goes up and down there pretty well. I turn the unit on. And it runs just fine. So there you have it. 12-inch swing, miniature drill press. And we thank you for looking at our product.